Are you addicted to exercise? Have you ever said the comment or statement, if I don't exercise, I'm gonna die? What's up everybody? Dr. Maggio here. I'm the creator of the Peak Method and the founder of the Soft Tissue Revolution. And I'm on a hell of a mission to make chronic injuries obsolete. In today's video, I want to talk about something that needs to be addressed and something that really needs to come front and center: the addiction of exercise. So this week in the clinic, I was talking with a patient and we got to talking, and the patient ended up hurting their back very badly. And the patient loves to runs every single day. And when we started talking about what was going on and the repetitive overuse strain of that, and it blows out discs, it causes joint problems, their first remark to me was, if I can't run, I think I might die. Yeah, think about that. If I can't run, I think I might die. I flipped the script on that and I said, if you keep running like you are gonna die. And I said that with a very bold face remark, just like I did. I said, if you keep running, you are gonna die. And why do I say these things? Why do I go to this level? Because I've seen the dark side of all this. I watched my dad, 58 years old. This was a man that was in peak physical condition his whole life. Just run his body into the ground with refereeing basketball, playing sports, working out, running. And he started breaking down. Started with a knee problem. Then it goes to the hip. Then it goes to the low back. And before you know it, the guy had 7 surgeries, well over $1 million. And he died and he overdosed on pain pills because that was all that was left. So I've been there. I've been to the dark side. I had to pull him off of life support and I saw what happens. So when I say stuff like that, like, oh, if I can't work out, I'm gonna die. No, if you keep doing what you're doing, you are gonna die. And exercise is an addiction just like smoking, just like drinking, just like drugs. But the problem is exercise gets a pass because people think that it's healthy. And a lot of people use exercise to deal with stress, deal with anxiety, to check out for a little bit, get the endorphins, and I'm all about that. But if you're continuing to beat the shit out of your body every single day and taking it to the deepest levels that it shouldn't go, and you're not recovering and you're doing more harm than good, how is that truly exercise? And it ain't that no pain, no gain type of shit. You can function and do exercise just like a medication. You want to get just enough to be effective, but not so much that it's overly effective. And if you're using that as your coping mechanism, maybe you need to figure out what's going on deeper in your mind and emotionally, and take some reflection on that and understand that exercise is meant to be healthy, not destroy you. And if your exercise is messing you up, causing problems, you have to deal with those down the road. And I've seen that. I've been to that dark side. I saw what happens. And that's why I can confidently say, if you keep doing what you're doing, you are going to die eventually. And it ain't going to be fun. And it's going to be painful. And is it really worth that? Some people don't want to hear this message, but it's a message that needs to be said. And I'm always here to be a truth teller and do my best to give you real data about what's going on. And you need to do some reflection with yourself and really think about, why do I exercise? What am I really trying to accomplish with that? And there's ways to exercise safely, effectively. But if you're injured and in pain and you keep trying to work through that exercise, you're not going to get any better. So if you need help, you've been through the ringer, you're injured, you can't do the things you want to do, click the link below. That's going to get you in contact with one of our practitioners that are trained in the Peak Method, where our mission is to make chronic injuries obsolete. Get set up with one of them, get your injury taken care of, learn how to effectively exercise and move better so you can avoid bigger problems down the road. Appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.